7. Let me press this one. I almost forgot. Okay, good morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Today what we have, it's basically, I have a what is called one of the top line as we speak as of today, Dream Router 7. It is actually for Ubiquiti, or you could just call it simply Unify. So it's really nothing much to it. It's really simple. As you can see, it's just a box. It's really nicely boxed in, and the price is still hefty. I mean, it's $279.99 as you can see right here. Let's see if I can make it clear. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so $279.99, but let's just take one thing at a time and show you how we can unbox it. And we're just gonna call it the Unify D7 or DR7. And what I'm looking at is right here. You just follow it. You could find there is like a small tab. You see it? Small tab right here. I got several different angle of cameras, so I have to move the box every different direction. So this is what I'm showing you. So let's just see. I'm gonna show you later on in other videos how we can be able to configure it, but let's take one step at a time. So we're gonna go like this, break the box. Again, breaking the box. I have different angles, and once you break the box, you can see this one simply. You can see simply like that. It opens up. You see it? It opens up. All right. And here we go. Let's put this thing on the side for now. This is the Dream Router. Da, da, da. I mean, I don't want to bore you with this video, but it does have a 4-port. You can see 4 ports. 4 ports. What these ports are, for those of you who knows and those of you who do not know, let's say just a home techie. Yeah, thank you, Rena. And what we have here, this is for the power. This is for the SFP, which is basically you have to buy a separate. It goes up to 10 gig. This is the 2.5, which comes from your modem. Or either you could plug it into the switch, from the switch back to the gateway. And it has also a beautiful, nice small display right here. Once you connect it, it will show you which port is connected, if it's online or it's not online, and so on. So also, it does have an SD card right here. So this one has, you could be able update firmware, everything else. So this is really neat. These ports, obviously, to connect, let's say, I think one of them is only one port as a PoE, where you could be able have your camera, or you can have something without the power. And the rest of them is maybe a printer, a switch, and so on. So let's take a look at the rest. Let's take a look at the rest of the what's inside the box. Really nothing much into it. I mean, I've seen some other videos. They're taking forever. What's inside the box? But it's neat. I want to take the whole thing out. So it's really nothing much. See, it's nothing really much. But the reason I'm opening it, just to show you what's inside. And then here, what do we have here? We have the power, obviously. This is the power, where you connect it right here. Remember, this is a US model, so your plug could be different depending on where you buy it from or which country you live in. And it does have this thing. This is just a small booklet, information about the Unify. It's really nothing much to it. And I also believe it should have like a key. Yeah, right here. A small key. You see this key? See this key right here? This one, it will open up for the SD card. You see it? The SD card right here. So if you go like that and you pull, there we go, and there's your SD card. All right, I hope that helps you out, and that's it. Now I do have a couple of cables just to give you an idea how it's being done. All right, let's just see if I can show you. So I have a couple of cables right here. Let's just say if you want to connect it, the first thing you need to do is you have your internet, right? You have your internet, your modem. So this one plugs in, and it comes in from the modem, and then it plugs in right here. The one on this right there. So you gotta go like this, and then this one plugs in into your switch, to your other peripherals, and you should be good. Now, if you have a high-speed internet, let's say 10 gig, you need to buy a special SFP, something like this. Hold on, let me see if I have something here I can show you. I have a whole bunch of them. All right, here we go. So the SFPs, they look like these. So let me just take one of them out and show you what I'm talking about. So if you go here, and this one, it gives you a 10 gig. So you just plug it in right there, and you insert it. Just make sure you get the right one, but I just want to show you how it's being done. This is fiber, so you may want to get an adapter that is something like that, okay, SFP, but it must take on an RJ45. This is an RJ45, which is a copper. This is SFP, which means fiber. It's like the speed of light, which means it's gonna be like that. Let me see if I have a cable right here I can show you, which I believe not. Okay, here we go. So this is what you need, the difference between a copper. This is what I'm talking about. So this is, if you see something like that, this is a fiber, and this is a copper. All right, what's the difference? This is much quicker and faster, speed of light. This is a copper. So the only thing is with this one, you have to be careful. You don't want to break it. This is less susceptible to interference. This one is. So anyway, that will be a different section to show you how it's being done, but that's not what I'm showing you. But I just want to show you simply how you could unbox it. And then the next video, I will show you how you can be able to configure it and so on. All right, thumbs up. Any questions, comments, let me know. Thanks. You have a good day, everyone.